With the ball now in the Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court Justice convened an emergency meeting immediately after the impeachment motion for President Park passed the National Assembly. Our Lee Minyoung explains what's been discussed and what impeachment proceedings the president will face from here on out.
Now that the National Assembly has voted to impeach President Park, the final say goes to the Constitutional Court, whose justices are already working to adjudicate her impeachment. 7 of the court's 9 judges, including the Supreme Court Chief Justice Sung-tae, held an emergency meeting as soon as the motion was passed. They discussed the developments to come and what issues are at stake for now. The other 2 judges are known to be out of the country for a business trip.
Because this impeachment is an extremely important case, the court will have to hold more meetings down the road.
The court has asked the president to submit a written response by next Friday. Also, Justice Kang Il-won has been chosen as the court's chief justice. The meeting reportedly centered on the major issues the judicial branch should consider under the system where Prime Minister Hwang Kyo-ahn becomes the acting president. They also agreed on the need to make impartial and smooth progress in the ongoing criminal trials related to their impeachment decision and vowed full commitment to their duty given the gravity of the issue. The court plans to summon related figures, question witnesses, and review evidence in multiple hearings before making a final decision. The court will have up to 180 days to adjudicate the impeachment motion, but some say a decision could come sooner than that, as it did back in 2004 with former President Roh Moo-hyun. In order to impeach President Park, at least 7 of the 9 justices should be in attendance, and 6 must vote in favor. If the court upholds the impeachment vote, an election to choose a new president will have to be held within 60 days of the decision. But if rejected, the president will return to power. Lee Minyoung, Arirang News.